Kawasaki.
Library to detect hands. You can interact with Phenox like walking a dog in the air. Phenox can walk onto a hand of another person. You can also implement a dynamic action and enjoy playing catch in flight. You can fly Phenox to the direction by swinging your hand. It's just like a migratory bird flying from your hand to another hand.
Phenox has three unique points: programmable, compact, and affordable. It's not so expensive.
The hoverbike is the result of years of research and development. We combined the freedom of a helicopter with the simplicity of a motorcycle to create the world's first hoverbike. Developing a hoverbike is expensive and challenging, and we need your support to make this a reality. The hoverbike flies like a helicopter, however it is rugged and easy to use. It represents a whole new way to fly. We created a 1/3 scale hoverbike drone to test a new quad aerodynamic concept. Our drone will allow you to see and feel just how it will be to fly the full-scale hoverbike, and will help with raising the funds needed to bring the hoverbike to market. We have moved to a proven quadcopter design, and this is what our second generation hoverbike looks like. Drones should be friendly and approachable. Our drone has ducts around the propellers that protect bystanders from the blade tips and allows us to safely operate near the vehicle. We designed a large payload bay that can be easily adapted for different uses, a real multi-purpose tool. We felt it important to keep drones fun, safe and accessible to as many people as possible. We and our large community of supporters around the world are really passionate about the idea of cheap, safe, airborne transportation.
Hi, introducing Phone Drone. You may have seen other drones that are controlled by a smartphone, and Phone Drone has that capability. But there is one key innovative difference. Your smartphone actually flies with the drone inside a universal protective case. We've designed Phone Drone to be operated by anyone with a smartphone. No drone experience necessary. It works with all popular iOS and Android smartphones and utilizes many features already built into the phone, which allows it to be affordable.
Phantom 2 Vision Plus. We wanted to design a flying camera that everyone can fly, one that extends vision and allows you to capture beauty and adventure from above. It's your eye in the sky and will allow you to see things you never before could imagine. The Vision Plus is a quadcopter, which means that it's a remote-controlled aircraft with 4 propellers. In the past, these were very difficult to fly, but recent advances in technology have changed that completely. And the reason is that these smart flight controllers they use automatically stabilize the aircraft when they're in the air. They're GPS enabled, which means that the Vision Plus always knows where it is. So at any point, you can let go of the radio and it will hover exactly where you left it. The Vision Plus includes an integrated high-quality camera. In video, it shoots in full HD at 1080p at 30 frames a second.